Excuse me, guys. I'm gonna be on the phone for a second. Still driving the plane. Okay. The person I was trying to call is not available right now. That was my mom I was trying to call. Let's see. Calling KDM now. That's my friend from the school I used to go to. Can I talk to Katie? Hi. Yes? Hi, can I get back to you in a second? Oh. I guess I missed my mom's call. But I can talk to you. Oh. Then I better let you get back to that. Okay. How's school going? You were on level 2? Oh, good. Wow. That shows you're improving. For a different school? What school are you going to? Well, can I call you back? Because I probably need to call my mom. Okay, bye. Sorry, I was on the phone with KDM. I was just gonna see if you could bring me my uniform. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Well, thank you. Can you bring it over? Will you bring it over? Well, you mean over to Granny's house? Thank you. Bye. Oh, now it's on. It's on like Donkey Kong. On like Donkey Kong. It's all like Donkey Kong. Baby. Fun. Fun. I'm like a sheep. Congrats. Good morning. Congratulations. You are my champion. Why is it everywhere? I'm just kidding. I'm laughing at you. No. I'm laughing at your mama. Mother's that. No, it's not. Oh! Sorry guys, I forgot you were here. Okay.